if you have been working for 5 or maybe 7 years and your role hasn't changed much, your salary hasn't grown significantly, and deep inside, you feel like you're capable of more, and this video might feel a little uncomfortable. Most professionals don't stay stuck because they lack intelligence. They stay stuck because of patterns. Patterns that slowly freezes their growth. And the worst part, most people don't even realize it's happening. They believe the problem is the company, the manager, or the market. But very often, the real reasons are much closer. Today, we are going to talk about the 5 real reasons why professionals stay stuck. And if you are someone who wants to intentionally grow in your career, consider subscribing to this channel. I share ideas like this every week to help professionals move forward. I have noticed something interesting in corporate environments. 2 people join a company at the same time. Both are smart, both work hard, both have similar opportunities. Fast forward 5 years. One becomes a manager, the other is still doing the same job. Maybe with a slightly higher salary, but the same level, the same responsibilities. And when people look at this difference, they often assume something simpler. Maybe one person was more talented, maybe one person was lucky, maybe one person had better connections. But in most cases, the difference is much simpler. It's awareness and behavior. Career stagnation rarely happens suddenly. It happens slowly, quietly, and comfortably. Reason 1. Comfort became the goal. One of the biggest reasons professionals stay stuck is comfort. Stable salary, predictable work, no difficult conversations, no uncomfortable challenges. And this shift happens very subtly. You don't consciously decide to stop growing, but you start avoiding situations that stretches you. For example, you avoid speaking in meetings because it feels uncomfortable. You avoid challenging projects because they bring pressure. You avoid taking initiatives because it increases responsibility. And slowly, without realizing it, your career stops stretching. Growth almost requires discomfort. New roles feels uncomfortable. Leadership feels uncomfortable. Decision making feels uncomfortable. But the professionals who grow faster learn to move towards that discomfort. If your job feels too easy, it's probably not building your future. Reason 2. Hard work without value strategy. This one surprises a lot of professionals. Working hard is not as same as creating value. You can work for 10 hours, reply to emails quickly, attend every meeting, complete every task, and still not grow significantly in your career. Busy employees get appreciation, valuable employees get promoted. Reason 3. Skill plateau. Another reason professionals get stuck is skill plateau. After 3-4 years, many people stop learning intentionally. They simply repeat the same work again and again and again. Doing the same job better every year is not the same as expanding your capabilities. Think about fast-growing professionals. They constantly upgrade their thinking. They learn new tools. They improve communication. They understand business better. They develop leadership skills. Growth happens when your capability expands. 5 years of experience is very different than 1 year of experience repeated 5 times. Reason 4. Low visibility. This one is very common among intelligent professionals. You believe that your work will speak for itself, and in an ideal world, maybe it should. But in most organizations, your work needs visibility. Decision makers cannot promote work they cannot see. Speaking in meetings, sharing insights, asking thoughtful questions, and volunteering for meaningful projects. When people see your thinking, they begin to trust your leadership. Silent competence feels humble, but it often slows your growth. Reason 5. Waiting instead of designing. The final reason many professionals stay stuck is waiting. Waiting for recognition, waiting for promotion cycles, waiting for someone to notice their effort. But careers rarely grow automatically. They grow intentionally. The professionals who grow faster don't wait for roles. They start behaving like that role even before they receive it. They think like managers. They solve bigger problems. They design their future role before someone officially gives it to them. Careers grow faster when you stop waiting and start acting like the roles you want. So if you feel stuck in your career, it's rarely because you lack talent. Usually, it comes down to a few patterns. Comfort became the goal, hard work replaced value creation, learning slowed down, visibility stayed low, and you waited instead of designing. But the moment you become aware of these patterns, your trajectory can change. Your career doesn't improve automatically with time. It improves with intention. And in the next video, we will explore something very important: how to reinvent yourself professionally without quitting your job.